What's up everyone? It's your boy Antriksh live from Bengaluru. So this is my bike and today I'm going to show you how to clean your chain on your own. Now, you don't have to go to any service center or any shop. You have to just get these two things right here. This is the MOTUL chain lube and this is the MOTUL chain clean. These are around 500 or 600 bucks each. So it's pretty good. It lasts for a long time. And my chain is pretty dirty right now. As you can see, it's a very rainy season. So let's get started with it. First, just put on the chain clean, on the chain thoroughly. Make sure it's everywhere on the chain. If you don't have this, you can also use kerosene and all that, but I prefer you get this because it's much better. It doesn't harm your chain. Okay, so I am done applying the chain cleaner on the chain and now it looks something like this. It's all wet, it's greasy, so the greasy part is going to start falling off the chain. Wait for a few minutes and then start to clean your chain with a cloth. So I'll be back after 5 minutes. Okay, so after you're done with the chain cleaner, take a cloth, rub the chain thoroughly and then apply the chain lube. Alright. I don't have a center stand on this bike, so I'm going to have to rotate the wheel manually. Okay, so now you can see the chain is properly cleaned. I have cleaned each and every part of the chain, right from here, everything below also. The whole chain has to be cleaned. And have a look here. This is properly cleaned. There's no dirt left on it. So that's how you have to clean it. It should look like the original color it came in. Alright. Now we are going to spray the chain lube on it. So make sure the chain is cleaned properly, otherwise it's going to rust and it's going to catch a lot of dirt, which is not good for the chain, and the chain might break anytime during your rides. So that's all for this video. I hope you like it, and if you do, please leave a like below and also comment down below what you want to see next, and subscribe to this channel for more DIYs. Until then, ride safe, ride hard. I'll see you next time. Bye bye.